If you've ever created a website, there is a big chance that you've looked for stock images at some point. And there's an even bigger chance that you've looked for those images on Unsplash, because it is one of the most popular image libraries at the moment. And for a good reason. It's huge, it's free, and it has high quality photos. And here at Visual Composer, we really like to shorten the time you would have to spend on creating a website as much as we can. So we have integrated Unsplash into the Visual Composer editor. It is a premium feature, but if you're using the free version, don't run away just yet. Just take a look how it all works and what kind of new features you can unlock. Without further ado, let's open up the Visual Composer editor. The first place to look for the stock images is in the Visual Composer hub, and you'll see the Stock Images tab here. As you can see, that opened the featured images that are generated by Unsplash, and of course the search bar where you can search. Let's write down cat, that's my go-to always. And now we have all the beautiful high quality cat images. When you've found an image that you want to use, simply hover over it and click on the download icon. As you can see, that opens the 3 size options that you can choose from: small, medium, and large. And we would suggest choosing the small one because small images are better for SEO and the performance of your site, and most likely you won't really need the larger image. So to download the image, click on any of the sizes, wait a second, and automatically the image is added to your media library. Now let me show you how that works in action. Let's say I have created this blog with some placeholder images here that I want to replace to new ones. What I would do is open the edit window of this image element, delete this image, and look for a new one. And look at that, we've got the stock image tab here as well. So let's try travel, for example. Download an image. And once that's done, move on to the media library tab, and it's here and we can add it to the page. It took seconds. You'll be able to access the Unsplash library anywhere you would add images from the media library. All gallery elements, sliders, background images, and single image, of course. This is a feature that can really help with the time that you would spend creating a website. So try it out, check out the library, and see you on the next one. Bye!